Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to automate workflows and data analysis with Perplexity AI. So let's get started. Here you can use the Perplexity for smart task planning. Start by asking, create a workflow to automate a customer feedback analysis. And the Perplexity will break down step by step using the tools like Zapier, Google Sheets, Python scripts, and more. And then here, you can analyze the data from spreadsheets. Upload or reference data and prompt, and then say that can you summarize the key insights from these sales data spreadsheets, or ask for find the trends in customer satisfaction survey results. And with this, it can help with the basic analytics and guide you with formulas or tools to use. And then also, you can generate the code for automation. Ask for a ready to use code. For example, Python script to clean and analyze CSV data, and these provide a step by step scripts tailored to your tools. Also, you can connect the apps into workflow ideas. Use the prompts like, can you suggest the tools to automate the lead generation and CRM updates? And the Perplexity AI might recommend tools like Make.com, Zapier, Notion, or Airtable and tell you how to connect them. And the Perplexity AI can guide, generate, and help optimize the workflows and data tasks. You'll get the answers fast with sources, tools, and real code. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.